Say hi, baby Sean. Okay, we'll get your Jello in a minute. Say today is Monday. I think today's the 10th, and Sean is almost 5 months old, and he just rolled over for the first time. Maybe he can do it again. You gonna do it again? Are you gonna do it again? There you go. Get that leg up. Come on. There you go. You can sit there. Yay! Hip hip! Hooray! Sammy did it again! Uh-oh, we're in trouble now.